Good day, everyone. We have another taping correction problem here. This is correction due to slope. Okay, so in this problem, we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let's read the problem first. Slope distance AB and BC measures 330.49 meters and 660.97 meters respectively. So let's take note, these are slope distances. The differences in elevation are 12.22 for points A and B and 10.85 meters for points B and C. Determine the horizontal length of line ABC. And we're going to assume that line AB has a rising slope and BC a falling slope. Okay, before we try to apply the Pythagorean theorem, let's try to draw it first. Okay, so I'm just going to exaggerate the vertical so we can clearly see the differences. So this is our 330.49 because this is our A and this is our point B. Okay? And this is 12.22 and this is our D1. So this D1 is what we're going to find. And it says here that the difference in elevation between B and C is 10.85. So if we take this 12.22 as a reference, 10.85 should be right here. Okay, so if we project this line right here and assume that this is our 660 right there. So my drawing is not drawn to scale. So this is just for illustration purposes. And this is 10.85. And this is 660.97 meters. Okay, so we are going to find D2. So let us apply the Pythagorean theorem for finding D1. So our hypotenuse is 330.49 meters squared is equal to D1 squared plus 12.22 meters squared. Now D1 will be equal to the square root of 330.49 squared minus 12.22 squared. Okay, so D1 here will be equal to, okay, so if we use our calculator, we get 330.264 meters for our D1. Now let's try to find our D2. So using the same Pythagorean theorem manipulation, we can see that D2 is equal to the square root of 660.97 meters squared minus 10.85 meters squared. So D2 right here will be equal to, let's try to calculate it, 660, just give me a minute here, minus 10.85 squared, then you will get 660.881 meters. Now the total, the length of line ABC, the horizontal distance ABC will be equal to 330.264 plus 660.881 meters. So you will get, so plus 330.264, you will get 991.145. Okay, so that is our answer. Okay, so in case you encounter some problems like this, just make sure that you can draw the illustration correctly, and then it's just a matter of applying the Pythagorean theorem. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new here, and see you in the next videos.